first started in the hyperbaric chamber with Dr. Neely about 6 years ago. I had had some surgery, and I'd heard that the hyperbaric chamber really helped with the inflammation and the recovery time. After that, I realized that I didn't get sick anymore. I suffer from chronic sinus infections, and I didn't get sick at all after going there for about 6 months. So I just went along, and after about 3 years, I started getting sick again. I looked for a hyperbaric chamber, and I found Dr. Bloch. I had been on antibiotics for 3 months, steroids for 2 months, and nothing had helped. I went into the hyperbaric chamber one time. My symptoms went away 50%. I went the next day, and they were completely gone. I was able to get off the medication, and I haven't been sick since then. I go to the chamber about 3 to 4 times a week, as often as I can, and I've just noticed a complete change in my health. I feel good, I'm energetic. I started walking about 40 miles a week. My brain is clear, I can multitask very well. It's just been great. I got my husband started on it. He's 92. He has a pacemaker and some cardiac issues. Recently he had surgery to put in some stents, and he didn't even have to spend the night in the hospital. He'd had that same surgery 4 years ago, and he had to spend about 6 days in the hospital. Everything had gone wrong. They couldn't even find a port to get into his heart, and this time, the first try, and I really attribute it to the hyperbaric chamber. Now he goes about 4 times a week, and he is so active. His blood flow is so good. He has great coloring. His circulation, the doctor just can't believe it. And it's been really helpful. Also, when I started seeing Dr. Bloch in the hyperbaric chamber, she kept on telling me that I needed to get treatment from her, and I wouldn't listen to her. For about 4 months, we went back and forth. I said, I don't go to chiropractors, never been to one. Finally, she talked me into it. And I couldn't believe the change in my body. There were no aches, pains, nothing hurt. And even if I hurt myself by falling or spraining my ankle, I come right in and they're able to take care of it. It's like it never happened. It's really amazing. I'm really happy that I found her.